This video shows the complete gold refining process. Gold refining begins with raw gold ore.
Lesson: not all rock contains the same gold content. Crushing prepares ore for gold refining. Proper size improves refining efficiency. Grinding releases gold particles.
Consistency is critical in gold refining.
Slurry allows chemical gold extraction.
Chemicals separate gold from waste.
Gold dissolves into solution.
Precise control improves gold recovery. Carbon absorbs gold particles.
Gold is now concentrated. Gold is separated from carb. Electricity pulls gold from liquid. Sludge contains refined gold. Smelting requires high heat. Impurities separate during melting. Heat melts refined gold. Gold becomes solid bars. Controlled cooling prevents defects.
Look at this fissure here near the edge.
Early defects are identified.
Refining increases purity. Induction. Chemical refining ensures purity.
Purity must be verified.
Laboratory tests confirm gold purity.
Gold reaches 24-carat purity.
잊었어.
Final bars are prepared. Exact size and weight ensured. Structure is stabilized. Bars are prepared for marking. Each bar is officially certified. Weight determines value. Traceability is essential. Presentation matters.
Zero defects allowed.
Bars are protected. Gold requires secure storage.
Refined gold is safely stored.
Security protects value.
Gold moves carefully.
Human oversight ensures safety. Gold moves under heavy security. Refined gold reaches markets.
Gold becomes financial reserve.
Gold refining feeds jewelry industry. Gold begins a new form.
Craftsmanship adds value.
Fine detail creates beauty.
Refined gold reaches consumer.
Refined gold becomes luxury. Wonder. Gold completes its journey. Gold is endlessly reusable. Irripple from barium. Responsible refining matter.
Human skill drives refining.
Modern refining is precise.
Every step is controlled.
This is the result of gold refining.